Hello guys, what's going on? After a long time of not doing any vacuuming videos, I am finally back to doing vacuuming videos. So today we have this Oreck XL21 bagged vacuum cleaner. It works very well on hardwood floors, rugs, carpets, and floors like this. However, it does have one problem. When you go to turn this vacuum off, it makes a very weird sound. I have no idea what's wrong with it, whether there's something wrong with the motor or the bearings. I have no idea, but otherwise it does work very good on any floor or any rug. So today I am going to test it. And also, it has a headlight at the bottom so you can see what you're vacuuming if it's dark outside or in the house. So I'm going to do a test on this Oreck XL vacuum today. You're going to hear that very weird sound it makes when you turn it off at the end. But otherwise, guys, let's go ahead and test it in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Did you guys just hear that very weird sound this vacuum made when I turned it off? There is something wrong with the vacuum. It makes a weird noise when you turn it off. I don't know if it's the motor or the bearings or whatever, but there is something wrong with this vacuum. However, it does work very good on any floor, and it seems to pick up very well on this floor. So I think this vacuum does get 5 stars, although it does have one problem. When you go to turn the vacuum off, it makes a very weird sound, so it needs to be looked at. But otherwise it does work very good, and it picked up all of the dirt and all of the mess on this floor very well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vacuuming video, and I am back to doing vacuuming videos more often, and I need to get my vacuums out of storage. And I already got one of my vacuums out of storage. Do you guys remember this vacuum? That's right, guys. This is my Hoover Windtunnel Rewind Bagless. And when you go to plug the vacuum in, you vacuum the floor. And once you're done vacuuming, you just press a button and the cord rewinds. So you don't have to wrap the cord around the vacuum, you just have to press one button and the cord rewinds right in the vacuum. So this is definitely one of my favorite vacuums out of my collection. Sorry for my terrible vocabulary. And I think it works very well on floors as well. So I'll test this vacuum again in some of my future videos, but this video is mainly about the Oreck XL21 bagged vacuum cleaner. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vacuuming video, and once again I am back to doing vacuuming videos, maybe not every day, but a lot more often than I used to, especially since I did do vacuuming videos at the old house, but not all the time, and I was never able to do vacuuming videos when I lived with my uncle and my aunt because they were so mean to me and so disrespectful to me, and they did not allow me or my mom to vacuum the floor because they said the vacuum was too loud and it hurt their ears. How ridiculous. But I am back to doing vacuuming videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vacuuming video with this awesome Oreck XL21 bagged vacuum cleaner. And remember, ours win, Q's lose. Have an awesome day. And I once again apologize for my terrible vocabulary. R is for red.